I hadn't just started forming that paper from the get-go, that would have been real quick. I would have been able to taper it and clean it up in one heat. Which, you know, there's nothing wrong with taking 2 heats. It's just a personal thing for me. Also, this time we don't need it quite so hot because we're just planching it. This is actually kind of a narrow punch, but that's fine because that's actually probably going to be nicer than any of the other punches that I have. So while it's still warm, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take it over here to the vise where we can clamp it. Maybe we'll heat it up just a little bit more. I apologize for the angle. Looking at it, I realize that it's not the best. Hopefully it'll be enough. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to file this thing off flat on the top, and then I'll put the bevel in. It helps if you prepare the vise jaws before you actually get there. That way you don't wind up like having to twist back all the slack while your piece gets cold. I apologize for the noise too. The files aren't supposed to do that. If you're using them right, you won't. Sometimes, however, when you're on a small enough surface, they just escape you. That takes care of that, and basically what we have here, how it looks now. I don't know if you can see that real well. We'll have to call that good. We'll come back over here to the anvil. That's pretty much the first one. The only exception is, which I'll probably do later, is grinding or filing the back of the piece. Flat. Because obviously that's not exactly what you want to see. So I'll go ahead and fix that later, but that will be flattened off. And I'll go ahead and put a little chamfer on the edges, kind of, it comes out and drops and then goes to the flat back. But this is pretty much done other than heat treating, than hardening. So and I'll go ahead and punch a plug with it. So there's that. Maybe I can find some fall-off stuff to kind of flatten out to punch a hole in. Here we are, we're just a little bit warm still. We'll punch a hole in this. That ought to be fun. There we are. And I'll actually grind this off. Maybe. No, I'll file it. What the heck. Yeah, that'll do. Now, just so you know, I have access to more than one grid of file, which is great because you want a really, really hefty file and then a thin file. You can do it all with one. It just gets a lot easier when you have something that removes the bulk of the material first. And it would have been better to do this a lot, but I just nicked it there. So this filing job is not going to be the nicest, but it's going to be functional. As long as it works, I'm happy. Okay. So this is what it looks like, and if you look, you can kind of see it's uneven in some places. Pretty bad, actually. I'll fix that up with a grinder. I'll just go ahead and grind it flat. And then grind in the chamfers. It really doesn't do much. It just, like, it's nice. I mean, like, let me show you something. Like, basically, this is what happens to your tools on that end. It mushrooms, you get the radius, it starts cracking, and it just keeps going out like that until you go and you grind it flat again. So it's nothing that's not going to be touched up probably 100 times before this tool's done being used. It's just something that I like to do with the tool.